This one is for all my local Cava lovers. We are located in a test market for the Cava chicken shawarma, which means that we are one of the few locations that gets to order it and try it. Pretty excited because I feel like we're never in a test market. Also just came out with these hot harissa pita chips. Oh. Oh. Spicy, but so good. So I got myself a pita with the chicken shawarma. I got all my typical pita toppings. I'll put everything on the screen. I always get the same exact toppings. Let's just look at this chicken shawarma. Oh, it looks beautifully seasoned. That's delicious. You taste garlic and a lot of spices. Big old bite out of this pita. I definitely like the chicken shawarma better than I like the other chicken options on the menu. Still a big fan of the braised lamb, but if I'm gonna choose chicken, this is the one I'm gonna get. Hopefully they will bring this nationwide. The last thing I wanna try is this hot harissa pita, but with the balsamic date dressing, like a little sweet and spicy. Oh yeah. If you love sweet and spicy, you need it.